Hey Hostfully Nation, my name is Trin and I'm here to show you a couple really cool features that are enabled once you upgrade your Guidebook account. First things first, with the upgraded account, you are now able to activate a splash screen in which you can highlight important house policies, but also capture guest data on the back end so you can further build out your customer database. Change the entire look and feel of your Guidebook by removing that Hostfully logo on top and then linking this logo with your own direct booking website. You should also put a face behind the host by having the ability now to upload your own profile picture. In terms of the menu section, you are now able to adjust the entire colors and really give a beautiful alignment between your logo and the menu section, which will then automatically transition throughout the interface of the Guidebook. And while we're on the menu section, how about enhancing your guest experience, but also creating additional revenue stream by activating our marketplace feature? With the marketplace feature, you're now able to offer cashless service options. Your guests can simply pay via credit card by integrating your Stripe account into our Guidebook platform. And we are not stopping there. You are also able to create as many custom categories as you want, such as this Book Again category. To highlight additional properties of yours, your guests can simply click on any of these listings, see where the listing is located. You can also provide a little sneak peek. And if the guests would now like to get in touch, they can either click on the telephone number to connect them with the property manager or simply clicking on that link, which will then take them instantly to your direct booking link. If you're anything like me and you're tired of sponsored ads, no problem at all. With the upgraded account, you are now able to remove all of the sponsored recommendations, but also having the ability to create unlimited recommendations and unlimited house manual cards. Do you want to up your game for your international travelers? Activate our multi-languages with up to 15 additional languages, in which the entire interface, menu sections, contents are automatically translated in that desired language. I mean, how cool is that? If you would like to explore more, simply click on the chat button on our website and our product experts will get in touch with you to help you getting started.